Imagine looking up at the moon one night and seeing a blinding flash bright enough to light up the sky. Scientists say it could actually happen thanks to a newly discovered asteroid that once threatened Earth and now might crash into the moon. At the end of 2024, astronomers spotted a building-sized asteroid named 2024 Year 4. At first, it looked like it was heading straight for Earth, with a 3.1% chance of impact, the highest risk ever recorded for an asteroid. But as new data rolled in, scientists breathed a sigh of relief. Earth was safe. The moon, however, might not be. New calculations show that in December 2032, Year 4 could slam into the moon's surface with a 4.3% chance of impact. That may not sound like much, but in cosmic terms, it's worth watching. A direct hit could carve out a 1 kilometer-wide crater, the largest lunar impact in 5,000 years. If it happens, the explosion would be visible from Earth, a brilliant flash lasting several seconds. It would be the first time humanity has ever witnessed a major lunar collision in real time. But while Earth itself wouldn't be in danger, the aftermath could get messy. The moon has no atmosphere, so debris from the impact would spread far and wide. Astronauts or lunar bases could be hit by fragments traveling faster than bullets. Some tiny grains of lunar dust, as small as sand, could even reach Earth within days or weeks, creating an extraordinary meteor shower across our night skies. For us, it'd be a breathtaking show. But for satellites in orbit, those same high-speed particles could be dangerous, potentially damaging solar panels or sensitive instruments. Experts say it wouldn't cause a Kessler syndrome chain reaction, but we could lose temporary communication or GPS signals. So, could we stop it? Scientists aren't sure yet. NASA's 2022 DART mission proved we can deflect asteroids, but whether it's worth diverting one from hitting the moon remains an open question. After all, the impact could teach us more about how planetary collisions shape the solar system. YR4 is currently beyond telescope range, but it will return around 2028, giving scientists another chance to refine its path. Until then, new observatories like NASA's NEO Surveyor and Europe's NEOM-IR will keep watch, shrinking our cosmic blind spots and ensuring nothing catches us by surprise again. An asteroid once seen as a threat to Earth could become one of the most spectacular astronomical events in history. If 2024 Year 4 hits the moon, the night sky will never look the same again. Would you watch it live? Subscribe for more cosmic discoveries.